So hello everyone, this is Aditya and currently I'm working as a software developer. So I hope you guys are also doing well. So basically guys, in this video I just want to explore with you like a very good opportunity. Like if you are a freshers or if you have done your degree in 25 and as well as 26, then this video is only for you guys. When I talk about the first opportunity is coming from our Cognizant company guys. We already know Cognizant and all. So in the Cognizant, they are hiring only for the freshers opportunity guys. Like if you have done recent graduate, you have very useful for you guys. And the second opportunity is coming from our directly IBM company guys. In the IBM, they are hiring I just show you this is a for internship. So if you are completed your graduation degree and all in the 25 and as well as 26, then this video is very useful for you guys. So make sure watch this video till the end. So when now I start with the first opportunity is coming from our Cognizant company guys. Like if you want to apply this form from Cognizant, then first you need to create your account on Supercell platform guys. There is a one Supercell platform is there. So here you go and create your account. Just you see here Cognizant freshers hiring for digital workplace practice service takes role. 3 years of full-time graduate full-time degree 25 and as 26 graduates, all guys are eligible. And when it comes to the down, just you see here guys, application window closes in 13 days. It means 13 दिन के बाद ये जॉब क्लोज हो जाएगा, तो आप ये पहले अप्लाई कर लेना गाइज. मैंने कम्स टू द डाउन, जस्ट यू सी हियर CTC इज़ नॉट स्पेसिफाइड. उन्होंने अभी मेंशन नहीं करा है क्या CTC रहेगा. अप्रॉक्स 4 LPA तो होना ही चाहिए एटलीस्ट, क्योंकि फ्रेशर्स तो 4 LPA तो होगा ही गाइज. So when it comes to the down job description and also just you see here when I talk about the key responsibilities, service as a first point of the contact in the service desk role for end users reporting IT issues. When it comes to the down, just you see here support and benefits from Cognizant, no service bond. यहाँ पे कोई भी बॉन्ड ऐसा वगैरह सीन नहीं है गाइस. Cognizant sponsored for higher education from BITS Pilani. This is a very good point guys. अगर आप अपना डिग्री मतलब हायर एजुकेशन के लिए आप परस्यू करना चाहते हो, तो उसके लिए आपको Cognizant वाले ही BITS Pilani यूनिवर्सिटी या कॉलेज से के लिए आपको वो पैसा पे करते हैं, जैसा कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो इन्होंने मेंशन कर रखा है. नाइट शिफ्ट अलाउंस, अगर नाइट शिफ्ट वर्क करोगे तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा पैसा वगैरह मिलेगा. सेफ एंड कंफर्टेबल कैब फैसिलिटीज़, वाओ गाइस, कैब फैसिलिटीज़ भी मिल रहा है जो कि हम लोग को अभी नहीं मिलता है. So when it comes to the down, what is the eligibility criteria and also students graduating in 25 and 26 for any 3 years UG degree BCom, BCA, BSc, BA, BBA, B vocational, BMS, and all guys are eligible for this job. And when it comes to the down, just use students should possess consent academic record minimum 50% मार्क्स, यानी कि आपका ओवरऑल सारे में आपका 50% मार्क्स होना चाहिए गाइस, तो आप एलिजिबल हो पाओगे इसके लिए. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू द डाउन, जस्ट यू सी हियर रिज्यूमे मैक्सिमम 2 पेजेस. आपका जो रिज्यूमे बनाओगे वो एटलीस्ट 2 पेज का होना चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा का नहीं होना चाहिए. सो गाइस ये यही था यहाँ के लिए. सो आप यहाँ पे और इसे अप्लाई करो गाइस. इफ़ यू आर अ फ्रेशर्स और if you've done your degree in 25, then come and apply this form guys. So now I move forward for the second opportunity. So here I just want to add one more point. If you come here for the first time on these channels, then please help me guys. Here I make only job hunting and career guidance related videos, and also if you have any doubt, just drop me a comment guys, definitely I will help you. Now I move forward for the second opportunity. Second opportunity is coming from our IBM company guys. In the IBM, they are hiring just use here technical support representative intern. I think it's a non-coding job, so I just explain you each and everything guys. So because I already write everything guys, just you see here Cognizant role is technical support representative intern, job type is interns, and experience is a completely a freshers opportunity, 0 years of experience. Qualification is BCA and BSc, and academic duration is ऑब्वियसली 12th एंड 3 साल का आपका ग्रेजुएशन होना चाहिए. एकेडमिक्स स्कोर इज़ 60% थ्रू आउट द एकेडमिक्स, यानी कि आपका 10th 12th सारी जगह पे एटलीस्ट आपका 60% मार्क्स होना नेसेसरी है गाइज. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू द डाउन, जस्ट यू सी हियर इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली एप्लीकेशन एंड टेक्निकल सपोर्ट इन रोल गाइज. एंड व्हाट एक्चुअली you will do if suppose you got the job, then what you will do. This is not like a primary or software development coding job. ये आपको कोडिंग जॉब नहीं है गाइस, ये आपको नॉन कोडिंग है ही, नॉन कोडिंग ही ऐसा करके है. So when it comes to the down, just use here like application support and production support and all. बेसिकली एक सपोर्ट जॉब सपोर्ट इंटर्नशिप है गाइज. सो आप इसे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो अगर आप फ्रेशर्स हो तो. When I talk about the job roles and also this is like our job portal guys, so just you come here and read all the things, and the most important question, where you got all the links. So I just put all the links into the description box, so just you go and check it guys. So for the today I am done guys. So मिलेंगे एक नए जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के साथ guys. So तब तक के लिए थैंक यू guys.